All right, first graders, we've been working with that sound a lot lately. And we've learned that there are 3 different ways to make the sound. I almost said 2, but there are 3 now. We have ER, we have IR, and, not ER again. What was our last one? UR. Now remember, there's not a special rule of when to use ER, when to use IR, and when to use UR. So we're spending a lot of time reading texts that have these combinations in them, practice spelling with those words, so we can get lots of really good practice and lock in our brains which words use which combinations. Remember, just using an R does not make the sound. R just sounds like R. Okay, so if you want the sound, you have to use one of these combinations. All right, first thing I want to do to get us started is I want to look at syllables. I know sometimes we get syllables and sounds confused. Sounds are the tiny little pieces, like if we're breaking apart the word surf, the sounds would be s, f. But if we are doing syllables, it is only the vowel sound that makes your chin drop. And there are chunks of the words, like surf, surf. 1 syllable. There's only 1 vowel in surf and only 1 syllable in surf. Let's try another one. How about burn? Burn, burn, 1 syllable. How about Thursday? Do it with me. Thursday, Thursday, 2 syllables. How about Saturday? Saturday, Saturday. 3 syllables. These are in your text today. You're going to be reading with these words. The next one is afterwards. 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 3 syllables. How about frozen? Frozen. Frozen. 2 syllables. Strawberry. 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 3 syllables. All right, and your last one is quite. 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 1 syllable. Okay, so be careful. Quite are the sounds, but the syllables are quite. Quite. 1 syllable. All right, let's look at our sound cards that we keep adding to. Remember, if we know our little sound chunks, then we are able to read bigger words that we haven't seen before. Here we go. E, oi, oo, or, dr, sl, cr, sp, o, pull, cl, oi, sm, a, e, tr, ow or o, st, or sh, a, w, ch, All right. Get all 3 sounds in there. ER, IR, and UR. Today we're going to focus on that UR. All right, so we are going to break apart some sounds that have that in it from our text. And there are some words that have more than 1 syllable. So I chose 4 words from the text that have 2 syllables. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to give you the whole word, and we're going to break it apart to read each syllable chunk. If I look at this word, the first thing I notice is my final stable syllable. And that's a syllable all by itself. P-L-E says pull. Good. And then in this first syllable, I see U-R. It sounds like So my first syllable is per. Second syllable, pull. Put it together. Purple. Very good. All right, let's look at our next one. Remember, if you see more than 1 vowel, you know there's going to be more than 1 syllable. And this one definitely has more than 1 vowel. So we're going to dot grab to get our chunks. So we dot the vowel, grab the consonant in front. Dot the vowel, grab the blend in front. We keep our blends together. When there's an E at the end, I know it does not make a sound. So I'm not going to dot grab it, and the E at the end is silent. This E makes the I say I. All right, let's look at our first syllable. UR sounds like So our first syllable says, excuse us, our first syllable says sir. Okay, look at our next syllable. We know it has that I sound, so let's break it apart. Rise, prize. Put the syllables together. Surprise. What is it? Surprise. Very good. The plate falling on the floor was a surprise. All right, next one. Remember, when there is more than one vowel, there's more than one syllable chunk. So we dot our vowel, grab this consonant in front. Dot the vowel, grab the consonant in front. UR sounds like so our first syllable is burr. Good. ER sounds like so our second syllable is gur. Put our syllables together. Burger. Burger. Good. Just because a word has lots of letters in it does not mean you can't read it. You know all of your sound cards, your sound chunks. So if you know those sounds, you can read bigger words. You just need to put the sounds together. All right, last one. I see more than one vowel, so I'm going to dot grab. Dot grab. Dot grab. Now, this O is not closed anymore. It is an open vowel, so it will say its name. Our first syllable is yo. Second syllable, I see UR sounds like ert, girt. Put our syllables together. Yogurt. Yogurt. Very good. All right, now I want you to have a chance to write and practice spelling with the UR. So grab your things for say it, slide it, write it. You need a marker and a whiteboard or a pencil and paper. Pause the video if you don't have what you need. All right, the first word we're going to break apart and build is the word surf. What's the word? Surf. Segment the sounds. Build it. Remember, we're using UR for the sound. Let's show it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Does yours look like mine? Good. Surf. Now, if I want to say that it already happened, yesterday I with my family, what syllable would I use? ED. Yesterday I surfed with my family. Surfed. All right, erase. Next one. We're going to break apart the sounds for the word burn. Break away burn. N. 3 sounds in burn. Build it. N. Okay, we're going to show it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Burn. Good. Now, what suffix would I add to burn if it's happening right now? The candle is happening right now, you would add ing. Burning. Good. The candle is burning. All right, last one. We're going to break apart the sounds for the word curve. 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 Build it. Show it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is what I heard. Curve. But I know that a V is never alone at the end of a word. If a V is alone at the end of a word, it gets nervous and starts sounding like, right? So we put its buddy, the letter E. It doesn't say a word, it's just there. Curve. Curve. Now, if I want to say there is more than one, plural, there are many on the road, what suffix would I add? Suffix S means more than one. Curves. Good. All right, I have some sight words from your text today so that you can practice them before you read. Remember, sight words are words we have a lockdown in our minds. We don't have to sound them out because we just know them. I say, you say, out. Very. Few. Bought. Went. Oops. Come on, Miss Mitchell. some, more. There's so much together because they're brand new. Hour. Now this one has an H in front of it, so we know it's the hour, like an hour on the clock with time, but you don't hear the H. Hour. After, came, knew, was, with. Okay, now we're going to read these together, same time. Here we go. Out, very, few, bought, went, some, more, hour, after, came, knew, was, with. All right, nice job. All right, have fun reading your story about surfing today.